Are you considering a new home security system? Here are 5 things you didn't know about the AOSU security cameras that could change your mind. Hello, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and today we're diving deep into a product that promises to revolutionize your home security, the AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit. Let's kick things off with its impressive 166-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, providing complete coverage without any blind spots. With these cameras, you'll have unparalleled visibility, keeping every corner of your property monitored. However, keep in mind that ultra-wide lenses might sometimes distort images at the edges. Next, the camera offers advanced encryption and free local storage. You can access your footage remotely through the included hub with a built-in 32 GB storage that allows up to 4 months of loop recording. It's reassuring to know that all your footage is secured and easily accessible. Just be aware that while local storage is great for security, it may be less convenient than cloud storage for some users. The smart alerts being sent to your device give you instant notifications when movement is detected, allowing for quick reaction times. Imagine getting a preview image with the alert. Now you can decide on your course of action in a flash. However, continuous alerts for every small motion might become overwhelming for some. One of the standout features is the true 2K resolution, ensuring you capture crystal clear details day and night. Thanks to the integrated spotlight, you won't miss those crucial details, such as faces or license plates, even in low light. However, I recommend considering lighting conditions as they can affect performance. Lastly, let's talk about simplicity. With a remarkable battery life of up to 240 days per charge, you won't have to stress about constant recharging. AOSU makes installation straightforward and flexible. Just be mindful that actual battery life may vary depending on usage. In conclusion, the AOSU security cameras offer a robust set of features that can genuinely enhance your home security. However, like any product, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. If protecting your home is a priority and you're looking for reliable and advanced technology without hidden fees, this could be a great option for you. Just make sure you find out if it meets your specific needs. If not, it might be wise to explore other alternatives.